Hey, have you ever thought about making your own facial scrub with ground coffee? It's like giving your face a special cleaning and making it super strong with antioxidants. Hi lovely friends, welcome to the world of Boo Boo Beauty. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a homemade facial scrub using only ground coffee and coconut oil. Let's get started. The first step is we will put in 1 cup of ground coffee. Okay, let me put on my gloves. Next, put 1/2 cup of coconut oil. And after, you are going to put the coconut oil into the microwave to melt it up. You will heat it up for 30 seconds and then take it out and see how melted it is. And if it's not transparent like that, then you're gonna put it in for 30 seconds again. Now you are going to dump in the ground coffee into the coconut oil. Mix around the ground coffee in the melted coconut oil, and then you are going to chill it in the fridge until it creates a paste-like chocolate mousse dessert. It looks like that. You will put the ground coffee into a container to store it in your bathroom. I do not recommend using this scrub in the shower because it has coconut oil in it, and coconut oil can make the shower slippery and you can fall. Okay, now it is time to test out our new scrub. Look at how it applies on the skin. Now, rinse it off. And we will see how smooth and shiny it leaves your skin afterwards. It's a really good exfoliant. If you are interested in making a homemade honey and grapefruit body butter, watch my next video at the end of this video. Just a quick shout out if you're loving the content and want to help keep the coffee flowing, because let's be honest, caffeine is the secret sauce of every YouTuber's creativity. You can show some love by treating me to a coffee via the Buy Me Coffee link down in the description box. Your support means a lot to me, and I genuinely appreciate each and every one of you. Guess what? I'll be giving a mega shout out to my caffeine-powered superheroes at the end of my next video, so do not miss it. Stay radiant, my friends, and I can't wait to catch you in the next one. Bye for now, and big virtual hugs to you all.